Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. It's just a brief video for any of you out there who may be upset that you're not able to follow along with these videos because your computer just won't keep up and it just takes too long waiting on everything, if it even happens at all. So I have my resource meter open here and you can see 7 of my 8 CPUs, and with this design opened I'm getting a little bit of movement when I move the mouse, a little bit of response here. So with this timeline open, the wonderful thing about this timeline, say I don't like this neck being flat. I prefer it to get thick down here on this end. Well, we can just go to that sketch in this 25th, right click, edit that sketch, and then just change this value. And instead of 13.2, maybe we'll go 23 millimeters. And that all looks good and fine. And the computer reacted to that a little bit, no big deal. But then when you apply that, it has to calculate everything since that place in the timeline occurred. And so this is what you get. And this machine's reasonably powerful. And it did it without much of a hitch. And now we have a thick neck down here, but you can see all 8 cores really were stressed to do that. And that's what makes it so slow on a less than powerful computer. So if I undo that, you'll see again, just in the undoing of that, really spiked out a lot of my processor power. And I know because I've used this program on a weaker computer, and it was just miserable trying to get anything done. So once you're used to drawing and you know what you're doing, you can just simply turn off this timeline. Do not capture design history. It warns you this is a one-way street. You can never come back, so you can continue with that. That is, if you save. If I never save it and I close it without saving it, then it will go back to before. But now, no matter what you do, and it acts differently. First thing you'll notice if you scroll down here, our construction planes have turned into events rather than planes. So now you can't edit this stuff anymore, you can only remove them. But if we try that same move again, we'll go to the 25th and edit here. And the first thing you notice, the body doesn't disappear because we're in very minimal mode now. It's not doing all that cool stuff it was doing before. But also it's not taxing the computer nearly as much. So we turn all these bodies off and we try to do that same move again. Make this 23 millimeter and finish the sketch. You'll see there's not much happening on the processor over here, and that's because nothing happened on the sketch either. It's now pretty much static. No changes will take effect across the entire plan anymore. However, it runs a lot faster and a lot smoother doing it this way. So I hope that helps. If you happen to be bummed out because your computer's not strong enough for Fusion360, this is one way around it. However, it just does require some total redrawing of parts if you make a mistake. Alright, God bless everybody. Thanks for watching.